The first American electric hydrofoil is finally here. The first electric hydrofoil in the US, Navia 27, an all-electric hydrofoil performance craft, was recently unveiled. The hydrofoil can be defined as a lifting surface or a foil that operates in water and acts as a watercraft and electric boat. It's a kind of complex behavior of a foil that operates close to or about a free surface. Welcome everybody to Electrify. This exciting topic will flash your mind and you'll be surprised to know its features. So let's start. The hydrofoil boats are designed to make the vessel faster so that the boat can reach a fast maximum speed of 35 knots and 65 kilometers per hour. If we want to increase the maximum speed, first we have to increase the power of the engine and then move forward. The hydrofoils in the boat are used to lift the boat's hull above the surface of the water to move further. If we do this, the area of the boat in contact with the water is effectively and immensely reduced as the total drag due to water experienced by the boat increases velocity to a great extent. There is a cap in the hydrofoil to the maximum velocity at which these boats can travel to distant sites. When the hydrofoils are accelerated to 16 knots or 110 kilometers an hour, they tend to experience cavitation. This usually occurs in fluids. Then there is a rapid change in the pressure that leads to a decrease in the formation of tiny bubbles that form on the sides of low pressure. These bubbles collapse when they return to the normal pressure. This generates shockwaves in the water, damaging and bending the hydrofoil boat despite the cavitation problem. These hydrofoil electric boats have very good fuel economy and are very efficient and effective at high speeds, and could deliver better passenger comfort because once the boats are lifted above the water surface, they do not follow the water waves since the hull is above the surface of the water. Free surface effects are described here, including ventilation and the possible uses of fences. Empirical equations of Navia equations that are given for foil lift and drag for both directions in horizontal and vertical foils. This takes account of a free surface area and includes vertical surface area and foils running fully wetted and fully vented platforms. The preliminary cavitation check is included, which is a must to do. Finally, the shape-adaptive foils are also described together with the design process for achieving the required bend. Navia Hydrofoil claims its 30 feet 9.1 meters upcoming N30 boat will be the first commercially and economically available electric hydrofoil boat in the US. Navia has now been shown off the first test flight of its prototype, which is all decked out in dazzle and unique camouflage. Quote, "Hydrofoil technology is the new key that enables the electrification and development of passenger ferries. By reducing the drag of the vessel and powering requirements halved, it increases the speed and a number of electric ferries. This opens many doors to the electrification works of the most ferry routes across America and the world." End quote. This was a quote said by the CEO of Boundary Layer Technologies, Ed Kearney. In 2021 at Palm Beach International Boat Show, Navier, a Silicon Valley startup, proudly announced the first product for their new brand. This 27-foot foiling performance watercraft is capable of a range that exceeds 75 nautical miles that is all under electric propulsion, except for advanced autonomy and the most comfortable features. The hydrofoils will ensure a smooth ride over the chop with great experience and minimal wetted surface of the hydrofoil, which reduces drag, resulting in the most efficient operation possible. The high-tech features of the hydrofoil vessel include a highly advanced autopilot capable of speed and course control to a vast extent. Also, an aerospace-grade foil with a control system, according to the passengers' comfort and assistive docking technology, makes the Navia 27 the most technologically advanced electric recreational boat on and above the water with the latest design and technology. When the boat reaches or exceeds 18 knots or above, the hydrofoil boat flies on foils similar in design to high performance without making any noise. In fact, the Navia team also includes many world-renowned experts involved in the betterment of America's Cup foiling race boats in America. The length of the boat is 26 feet. It's got a beam of 8 foot and 5 inches. Its foiling speed is around 19 to 30 knots. The range of the hydrofoil is 75 plus nautical miles at 20 knots. The power of the boat is 2 by 50 kilowatts. It's got an electric draft of 2 feet/5.5 feet, and it's got a capacity of 10 passengers. The critical factors of the Navia 27 are: number 1, electric. It goes a distance without noise or pollution. Number 2, active foil control. The smooth ride and a sporty handling system enabled by aerospace stabilization technology is an outstanding achievement. Number 3, retracting coils. It flies above 3 to 4 feet seas and retracts foils for beaching and shallow water operation. Number 4. Assisted docking. It has a precise sensor-assisted joystick that has a docking free of delays typical in that of gas boats. Number 5. Advanced autopilot. It has a perfect speed and cruise control system whether it is station keeping, trolling, or cruising. Number 6. The hazard alert. The Navier 27 is always aware of its surroundings and it will alert you of the danger before it's too late. Number 7. Connected. Checking your boat from place to place and anywhere around the world via Android or smartphone. And finally, at number 8, it has 2 versions, a cabin version and an open version. We hope you've all enjoyed the video so far and find it fascinating and are curious to know more about its facts and features. If you are liking the video, then smash that like button and remember to share and comment with us your thoughts down below. The playing field in electric boating will continue to expand in the future, and the Navier 27 is similar. This luxurious and comfortable hydrofoiling watercraft is the best yet the most advanced and latest addition to the Navier lineup. It does not disappoint us in any way. The N27 will turn heads on the water with a slim design and top performance. The Navier 27 was designed with luxury and its performance is mind-blowing. This boat was built to impress with its carbon fiber hull and the powerful electric motors that affect the system fully and helps keep it well. The Navier 27 could reach up to 30 knots or 34 miles per hour, making it the fastest electric boat on the market. In addition, the hydrofoiling capability refers to the boat making it easy to handle choppy waters and waves over 4 feet high. With 15 times greater fuel economy, this hydrofoil boat was built with excellent efficiency in mind. Whether to move while cruising along the coast or take a dip in the lake, the Navier 27 will get you there in style and in comfort. You can expect a range of 75 nautical miles or 86 miles based on a high cruising speed. Additionally, with its impressive and excellent performance, the Navier 27 has advanced features that will make your time on the water more enjoyable and luxurious. The customizable and attractive launch and design will be available in 2 options, a cabin or hardtop configuration. The impressive, attractive, and high-tech autopilot system has been incorporated into the Navier 27, turning the most novice boaters into confident captains. With future promises of the OTA or over-the-air updates, this particular electric boat will become even more intuitive and appreciated with self-driving capabilities. Above all, along with assisted docking, hazard detection attachments, and many approvals, it proves that the Navier 27 is one of the market's most technologically advanced yet stylish and powerful electric boats. This newly designed and luxurious hydrofoiling watercraft will turn heads on the water and could also deliver an unforgettable and great experience. Since there is no information on the price of the hydrofoil, people are interested in it could register their attention on the company's official website. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We hope you guys found it to be exciting and informative content. Please let us know in the comment section below, share your thoughts about it, and remember to like, share, and subscribe.